Hello, hello, everybody. It's me again. You guys guessed it. I'm doing what the hell? Oh no, the light is gone. What the hell am I gonna eat in San Francisco?
Yeah. Oh, come on, everybody say it. I'm in the place today and I'ma do it like this, yo. I roll my block smooth on a bicycle, no cash for gas.
Today, got my friend here, Elaine. Oh, you can't really see her, it's too dark. I don't think it's actually focusing on her face too, because it's too dark. But anyway, we're on our way to go get some tasty pot. Cái次你走去買啲衫架添啊！
衫架做咩啊？
想掛住你啊嘛！Got you! Apparently my driver is a granny driver over here. Drives like... Totally could have made that light at first. She just totally chose not to do it.
Nothing wrong with that.
That's why you know me. She's a hater also. So don't worry about her.
Only hating actors.
Shh. Shh. The world might hear that. The best thing about eating a tasty pot today is that it's raining. So it's all nice and warm in there later when we eat. Hopefully it's not packed though, because I'm tired of waiting.
Pretty sure we're gonna have to.
Because like the usual, I'm hungry. No, only a couple of people. So we're trying to look for parking right now since we just got here, and there's like a bunch of cops everywhere. And obviously there's no parking because San Francisco. There's a bunch of cops right now. I wonder what's going on over there. Yeah, it's probably nothing important. Why did I? Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello.
Bye.
Totally checking me out from the side. Don't worry, I won't put that into the video. We can park in the public parking thing. If you want to give it a shot. No, don't kill her. Got here, we just ordered, and then once we got our seat, everything was here already. We didn't even need to.
Yep, that's all you're eating.
Yeah, we didn't even need to order. This is my roll fish.
Kind of your fault.
Everything is finally here. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, it's actually all the same thing. So everybody is finally here. Ben's joining us with our hello.
What here?
Yeah, we had to get the same thing for you also, for everybody.
Why?
Because we didn't know what you wanted, so we got you vermicelli also.
Well, I mean, like,
Order before you sit.
I mean, like, you guys already know what I like to eat, so.
Yeah, but it's time to dig in. For everybody that's watching this, this is a pot full of everything, and my good friend over here, Ben's, is stealing all my crap. But it basically has like the meat, the balls, the baked crab meat. He's giving me a corn that I gave him. You know, you got all your tofu. Oh, you guys can't see it. Elaine, get the hell out of the way. I'm just kidding.
Why are you?
Let's go get some dessert, guys. Yeah?
Yeah. Ben's always down.
Let's go figure out where we're actually gonna go eat. And
Where else is there? Like cruise?
and then we'll check back in with you guys. I gotta tell the story. I gotta tell the story. So funny story.
There's youngsters in there.
I'm getting out of Elaine's car, and then she had a tissue box sitting on the floor. And I didn't know, so when I got out, I kicked it out. And it's raining so hard outside. This tissue box is like a boat. It just shoots down where the side of the curb is where the water is running. So it shoots down. I grab it and start shaking it because I had a screwdriver in it. I tried to throw it back in her car, and she got mad at me. I was just trying to be nice to put her tissue box back. But I guess she didn't want it. Whatever though. Whatever. Look at her. She's so sad right now. She's crying in the corner. I mean, I try to do a good thing and give her back her tissue box, but apparently she didn't want that. But it's whatever. I'll buy her a brand new tissue box. So I said, we should park in a lot. And Elaine over here said, no, don't park in a lot. And so we found street parking. Ben over here went and found pay for parking. We pay for parking, and then look at my shirt.
He just likes to wet himself.
Look at my shirt. It's all wet now. Thanks to Elaine. But we are over at Creations now.
Because somebody can't go home without dessert.
I know, I can't go home without dessert. You guys know me. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong menu.
Because you want favorite.
No, I don't want this one. What is this one?
Why did you try?
Can't fit everyone. I have a box in my garden.
Now it's time to figure out what we want to eat. 이거를 좀 매지만 먹으면 없고 올라.
I'll get 402.
I want to get that.
Double
I want
egg.
that. I want that.
Double egg.
I want that. I want that.
Dude, Elaine, I told you. I ordered myself.
Are you serious? Well, let's get one of those and then get some smaller for all of us. Well, let's get this and we'll all share that and we'll get something else. Duh. I got my black sesame or timaru with glutinous rice balls, and then we're gonna be sharing this. Let me get a better angle of it. This bread thing that Elaine's cutting right now, I think it's like some ice cream in there and some honey on the side and whatnot. Can you cut it open bigger?
One.
Can you cut it open
One
bigger?
chops. I mean, one fork. Hey, cut the ice cream.
No, cut the bread.
That's good ones for the Zima.
Yeah, so there's ice cream in it. And honey. And Ben over there got noodle right after we just finished eating.
Hold on, man.
Oh, apparently I can't show it to the camera.
We destroyed it.
Ben thinks I destroy everything. Not everything, just some things. My black sesame is actually pretty damn good. No, that's the signature of me. How's the bread thing? Okay, let me
It's very bready.
try some of this.
The bread is very bready.
No, the part I actually cut for you.
Oh, you're so nice. You cut something for me. Too late. We'll try this.
That's like some kind
Definitely got to get that again.